Before we begin, here are a few gentle reminders for anyone new to meditation. Start small. Even a few minutes can shift your whole mood. Sit comfortably. Comfort matters more than perfect posture. Let thoughts come and go. You're not trying to stop thinking. Return to your breath. This is your anchor. Be gentle with yourself. Meditation is a practice, not a performance. Breath awareness is the simplest and most powerful meditation technique. It's the practice of noticing your natural breathing, the rise and the fall, the inhale and the exhale, without trying to change anything. It's your doorway to calm. Your breath is directly connected to your nervous system. When you breathe slowly and naturally, your body activates the parasympathetic response, your rest and restore mode. This lowers stress, quiets mental noise, and brings you into the present moment. Breath awareness is the foundation of almost every meditation style because it's simply reliable and always available. Sit comfortably. Let your shoulders soften. Let your hands rest gently in your lap. Close your eyes if that feels comfortable. Now begin to notice your breath, the coolness of the inhale, the warmth of the exhale, the gentle movement in your chest, the soft expansion in your belly. You're not controlling the breath, you're observing it. Inhale slowly. Exhale gently. Feel the breath move like a quiet tide. If your mind wanders, and it will, simply return to your breath. Notice the pause between inhale and exhale. Notice the rhythm. Notice the softness. Let your breath guide you to deeper calm. Inhale. Exhale. Stay with this gentle flow. Take one more slow breath in and a soft breath out. Bring to mind one small thing you're grateful for today. Something simple, something real. Let that feeling settle into your chest. You've just completed your breath awareness meditation. Have a beautiful day. If you enjoyed this meditation, I'm always here. Peace, hope, clarity.